Mayor, what is the greatest challenge so far in your administration?
The greatest challenge, I have to be very candid about this, is the Filipino mentality. Yes, sir. Pastor, is the Filipino mentality. I think President Aquino is correct in the wang-wang, in describing it as the wang-wang. Napansin ko kasi sa atin, mga Pilipino, gusto natin may shortcut, gusto natin may special treatment, gusto natin nauuna lagi, yung mga ganun. It's the challenge of the Filipinos that
It's the Malay mentality. Yeah.
Crab mentality.
Yun. I think it's best encapsulated in the wang-wang
mentality.
Ganun kasi yung that is always my challenge because sasabihin nila, pwede ba ganito, pakiusap mentality, pakiusap mentality, yung ganon. So and when you ask them just to follow the rules, follow the law, they say masyadong stricta, yung mga ganon. So yun yung
That's your challenge.
That's the greatest challenge because bureaucracy, there's always systems na pwede mong ilagay to put in place. Sa trabaho namin sa City Hall, there's always systems that you can put in place. But when you encounter a pilosopo, doon na mahirap. Because yung kultura din natin na dito sa Pilipinas, sanay tayo sa politician na yes ma'am, yes sir. And then, so yun yung challenge talaga.
So yung message ni Pinoy na transformation of our own like crab mentality is really what you see is what really is needed for us Filipinos to move on and move ahead, no?
Yes, sir. I believe that if you can do it yourself, why not do it yourself?
Yep.
Do not wait for the government to ask you to do this and do that, or for the government to give you money para gawin
Totoo
mo. I believe that that's why the project also of the Office of the President about volunteerism is, I think, also is correct. We need to relearn the value of bayanihan and not expect anything in return for whatever it is that we want to contribute to the community.
So how are you coping up with the changing in your case, because you are the mayor? How are you coping up with this mentality and changing it into a positive mentality?
For me, hirap, but I always say na kung magalit ka sa akin, bahala ka, basta ako ginawa ko yung trabaho ko. Wala kayong masabi na hindi ko ginawa yung trabaho ko. Kung meron mang hindi naging masaya sa mga desisyon ko, basta at the end of the day, I can say, I did my job. So if you are not happy, then that is not my problem, that is your problem.
But the result will be what will prove you right in the end, because I can commiserate with you because I'm also a leader, and I'm also being besetted by this kind of Filipino attitude. I think it's the Malay culture. So we are transforming it, and I know what you really mean in your leadership, coping up with this kind of a problem.